most competitive space, SBI or HDFC. I mean, I know the big picture is very, very simple that Indians will need more houses, but HFC is a competitive space. B, the spreads are not even 2% for best of the managed companies. So why should one buy a business where growth is great or margins are under pressure? It's like power, isn't it? I mean, we all need power, but the power sector otherwise is in trouble.
Good point, Nikunj. So I'm not betting on HFCs. I'm betting on affordable housing finance companies, and there is not much. If you look at the three major companies which are listed on the stock exchange in that space, I don't see that kind of a competitive space there. And in fact, their ticket size, average ticket size is less than 10 lakh, where an HDFC or Kotak will probably never go because it doesn't make sense for them to go to that level. So that is the space we are bullish on.
The one space which is definitely powering up ahead today is the entire defense pack. We told you what the reasons were. There have been some sizable orders which have come to the likes of Garden Reach, Cochin Shipyard. I mean, they've got a contract now with Goa Shipyard and Garden Reach for 9,781 crore rupees. Cochin Shipyard, contract for 6th generation missile vessels for 9,800 crore rupees. BEL, 10 contracts worth almost 5,500 crore rupees. The order for guidance is now set for FY23 and a sizable sum at that. Bharat Dynamics, order for Akash weapon systems for 3rd and the 4th regiments as well. Ankit, clearly the space to be in. You've got to have exposure to this in your portfolio, I guess.
No, I would differ over here. I would say that this space is probably a much more crowded space today. And even though we do hold one defense company in our portfolio, but we are not going overboard with it. And we believe we should be, if you look at the past, if you look at the last 20, 30 years, defense companies or defense sector as a whole has not performed well. So you have to be very careful as to which company you are betting on. And you have to look at the economics there. And there are a few companies where there is a mix of management change. There is some sort of a value creation due to asset sale, and those are the companies we would be probably looking at rather than going gung-ho on the space. Because orders, news flows, sometimes these things look good, but ultimately what matters is how much ROE they are getting and how much sustainable growth they can make. That is something which I would say we would wait and see.
Right. Okay, Ankit, great to have you on the show today. Thanks as always for taking the time out. And I must say that's one of the only contra voices when it comes to the defense pack, right? We'll take a very quick